Introduction: the world of crystals is a mystical and enchanting realm that has captivated human beings for millennia. From the ancient civilizations of Egypt and Mesopotamia to the modern holistic health movement, crystals have been revered for their purported healing properties and their ability to channel and amplify energy. Today, as we navigate an era characterized by rapid technological advancement and increasing stress, the allure of crystals as tools for healing and personal growth is more potent than ever. This essay delves deep into the healing powers of crystals, exploring their history, science, and practical applications in contemporary spiritual and wellness practices. Historical context: crystals have been used throughout history for their healing and protective properties. In ancient Egypt, they adorned the tombs of pharaohs and were incorporated into amulets. The Greeks and Romans used crystals in various healing practices, believing that they held the power of the gods. For instance, the Greek word crystal itself means ice, reflecting the belief that clear quartz was eternally frozen water. In traditional Chinese medicine, jade and other stones have long been valued for their ability to balance the body's energy. Similarly, indigenous cultures across the Americas have used crystals in rituals and healing ceremonies, recognizing their spiritual significance. The science of crystals: while the mystical and historical aspects of crystals are fascinating, it is also important to understand the science behind their purported healing powers. Crystals are composed of repeating geometric patterns of molecules and atoms, which give them their unique shapes and structures. This regularity allows them to resonate at specific frequencies. Proponents of crystal healing argue that these frequencies can interact with the body's energy field, or aura, to promote physical and emotional healing. One of the foundational concepts in crystal healing is the idea of piezoelectricity. Certain crystals, such as quartz, can generate an electrical charge when subjected to mechanical stress. This property is utilized in various technological applications, such as in watches and electronic devices. Crystal healers believe that this ability to generate and amplify energy can be harnessed for therapeutic purposes. Types of healing crystals: crystals come in a myriad of shapes, sizes, and compositions, each with its own unique properties and applications. Some of the most commonly used healing crystals include: 1. Clear quartz. Known as the master healer, clear quartz is believed to amplify energy and thought. It can be used to enhance the properties of other crystals, and is often employed in meditation and spiritual practices. 2. Amethyst. This purple crystal is associated with tranquility and spiritual growth. It is said to help with emotional balance, relieve stress, and enhance intuition. 3. Rose quartz. Often referred to as the stone of love, rose quartz is believed to promote self-love, compassion, and emotional healing. It is commonly used to heal relationships and foster a sense of inner peace. 4. Citrine. Known for its vibrant yellow color, citrine is associated with abundance and personal power. It is said to help manifest prosperity, enhance creativity, and boost self-confidence. 5. Black tourmaline. This protective stone is believed to absorb negative energy and promote grounding. It is often used to create a protective shield against electromagnetic pollution and emotional negativity. 6. Lapis lazuli. This deep blue stone has been prized since ancient times for its association with wisdom and truth. It is believed to enhance intellectual ability, stimulate the desire for knowledge, and aid in the process of learning. Practical applications of crystal healing: crystal healing can be integrated into daily life in various ways, each tailored to the individual's needs and preferences. Some of the most popular methods include: 1. Wearing crystals. Jewelry made from crystals can be worn to keep their healing properties close to the body. This constant contact is believed to create a continuous flow of beneficial energy. 2. Meditation with crystals. Holding a crystal or placing it on the body during meditation can help to deepen the practice and enhance its benefits. Different crystals can be used to achieve specific outcomes, such as calming the mind, opening the heart, or connecting with higher consciousness. 3. Crystal grids. Arranging crystals in specific geometric patterns, known as crystal grids, can amplify their energy. These grids can be set up in living spaces, used during healing sessions, or employed in manifestation rituals. 4. Elixirs and infusions. Crystals can be placed in water to create elixirs that are believed to carry the stone's healing properties. However, caution must be exercised, as not all crystals are safe to use in this way. 5. Chakra balancing. Crystals can be used to balance and align the body's chakras, or energy centers. Each chakra corresponds to a specific color and type of crystal, which can be placed on the body during healing sessions to restore harmony. Case studies and testimonials. While scientific evidence supporting the efficacy of crystal healing is limited, anecdotal evidence abounds. Many individuals report profound experiences and positive outcomes from working with crystals. For example, some have found relief from chronic pain, while others have experienced emotional breakthroughs and spiritual awakenings. These testimonials highlight the potential of crystals as complementary tools in holistic health practices. Skepticism and criticism. Despite the widespread popularity of crystals in wellness communities, they are not without their critics. Skeptics argue that the healing properties of crystals are based on placebo effects and subjective experiences rather than empirical evidence. The scientific community largely views crystal healing as pseudoscience, pointing to the lack of rigorous studies and measurable outcomes. However, even within this context, the psychological benefits of belief and intention cannot be dismissed. The power of the mind to influence physical health is well documented, and the ritualistic use of crystals may serve as a focal point for positive mental and emotional shifts. Conclusion. Crystals, with their captivating beauty and ancient mystique, continue to be powerful symbols of healing and transformation. Whether viewed through the lens of historical tradition, scientific curiosity, or personal experience, they offer a unique and multifaceted approach to wellness. While more research is needed to fully understand the mechanisms behind their purported effects, the growing body of anecdotal evidence suggests that crystals can play a valuable role in supporting physical, emotional, and spiritual health. As we move forward in an increasingly complex and fast-paced world, the simple act of connecting with a crystal can serve as a reminder of the natural harmony and balance that exists within and around us. Whether used as tools for meditation, protection, or personal growth, crystals invite us to explore the deeper dimensions of our existence and unlock the healing powers that lie within. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tips and guidance. For those who wish to explore deeper, I've prepared exclusive guides on my Etsy shop in my bio, lifecoachspiritual.etsy.com.